You know what you need to do. Get out of bed. Start that project, make that call, go to the gym. You know it will be good for you. You know you'll feel better after, but you don't do it. Your brain says later every single time. Later never comes. There's a gap, a tiny window of time between having an impulse to act and actually acting. That gap is where laziness lives. That gap is where good intentions go to die. Every time you hesitate, the gap gets wider. Every time you say later, the bridge gets weaker. Here's what most people don't know. Your brain is wired to keep you safe. Anything new, anything uncomfortable, anything uncertain, your brain sounds an alarm. That alarm goes off within 5 seconds of you having an impulse to act. Get out of bed. Start that task. Make that call. If you don't move within 5 seconds, your brain will talk you out of it. Every single time. This is the rule. When you feel the impulse to act, when you know you should do something, count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then move. You don't wait for motivation. You don't wait until you feel ready. You move before your brain stops you. The countdown interrupts the fear response. It shifts your brain from hesitation to action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Most people wait for motivation to strike. They wait to feel like it. Here's the truth. That feeling never comes. Motivation doesn't cause action. Action causes motivation. The 5-second rule forces the first move. And once you start, your brain creates the energy to continue. You don't need to feel motivated. You just need to start counting. Every time you hesitate, you strengthen the hesitation pathway. Your brain learns, this is how we respond. Every time you use the 5-second rule, you strengthen the action pathway. Your brain learns, this is how we respond. You are literally rewiring your brain. Hesitation becomes weaker. Action becomes automatic. The more you practice, the faster it gets. Use it for anything: waking up, starting work, making a difficult call, going to the gym, saying no, speaking up in a meeting. The 5-second rule works for any impulse your brain hesitates on. The more you use it, the faster it gets. Your brain learns. Hesitation is optional. Action is automatic. Try it today. Try it right now. You don't need more motivation. You don't need more willpower. You need a faster start. The 5-second rule is that start. Next time you hesitate, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Subscribe for more stick-figure wisdom, and remember, action doesn't follow motivation. Motivation follows action. Start counting. Start moving.